Hey friends, in this video we will learn how to install WordPress on your subfolder. So this is our Namecheap account which is offering hostings, shared hosting, many WordPress hosting, emails. So we can go to our cPanel. This is our cPanel. So we just go to installation of WordPress, install now. So we just go to https top epics and we name in directory training. So our WordPress installation is goes on training folder. So site name is training info at training.com. Password is this one. We can save this password, so we can use this email. We can set up these plugins here, so it's up to you. If you have needed, just install these plugins. Advanced option offers daily backup, week backup, and once a month. So just set this backup automatically according to your needs, because sometimes hackers hack your website or destroy your work. So on single click you are able to just get back your website. So just set once a day or 2 backups per day. So this is our subfolder website, so no need to set up. But if you are installing on main domain, you just need to set up this backup, because it's really important to save from hackers. So our WordPress installed on subfolder. So let's go to admin side of WordPress. So here is our WordPress installed. So I will let you know some tricks about security optimizations and remove this WP admin, because it's really important. After WordPress installation you need to check some security checkups. So we just go to install plugins, remove default plugins, just go to pages, remove default pages, remove from trash, just go to settings, general section. So you can see here, don't check this option, because if you have any membership or e-commerce website, then check this checkbox. Otherwise don't check this checkbox. To save from spams comments, we just go to media, organize my uploads, just uncheck this option, go to permalinks, click on post name and save changes. So this is really important, because this one is called post name, permalink is called SU friendly URLs. So using this way we can set our website SU friendly URLs. So let's start with adding some plugins on website to save from uh, hackers and security optimized. So let's start WPS height. Install this plugin, activate. So we just go to WPS height plugin, because we want to remove this WP admin section, because mostly or many developers use this WP admin, and hackers can easily access your website using WP admin. So we name like training, hit to save changes. So if I go to logout, and click on and open WP admin. So this will choose 404 page error, nothing here. So if I click on write training, our login URL, so this is login URL of training. So no anyone know about training, otherwise WP admin is know everyone how to log into admin side of website. Here is the username, add password. We can install one more plugin. This plugin also help to maintain your website security and hardening your htaccess file. We can just go to dashboard, settings, and click on hardening. So you can see here there is a lot of options on hardening. So we can click on apply hardening. This option will disable your plugin and theme editor. Sometimes developer needs to use these options. So if a website is totally developed and no work needed on website, so you can apply hardening. Otherwise, don't apply this hardening because developers needed these options. So automatic secret keys also goes to hardening. So if you need to disable this option, so just hit this button on revert hardening. So this will remove hardening here, and you are able to edit your plugins and themes here. So we just go to our main login page. So in next tutorial we will learn how to install themes and install basic plugins on website. In this video we have installed WordPress on Subdomain, and we have done some basic things, remove pages, extra pages, remove posts, uh, default posts. So we can move to trash. In media library we have all media sections, all our uploads from media. In appearance we get all themes when we install theme and do working. So all themes here. Here is plugin sections. Here is all the users, where all users, if anyone can log in on our website or create account. So all user details here. So in settings we have some permalink settings and some other plugins reading sections. Here is our security plugin. So next video we will install any other theme and plugins and start working on website. Thank you.